Ayan, so good evening ulit. Pasensya na po at nagka-cover yung aking device. Ayan. So, for today's discussion, ayan, for today's lecture, our topic will be partnership operation and financial reporting. And so, dito, konting discussion lang tayo. And then, for the next session, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng second wave ng ating quiz bee. So, we hope to see you all there. Ayan, so, ayan, every topic po para ma-practice natin ang ating problem-solving skills and pati na rin sa mga theories. And so, for the first discussion, may we have Miss Karen Quintans. Yan, you may take the virtual floor now.
Okay, so good evening po everyone. Ang topic natin ngayon is partnership operation. Partners equity as in assets contrasted with share in profits or losses. The basis on which profit or losses are shared is a matter of agreement among the partners and may not necessarily be the same as their capital contribution ratio. The equity of a partner in the net asset of the partnership should be distinguished from a partner's share in profit or losses. So, hindi naka-base sa capital contribution yung tinatawag nating pagbabahagi ng kita o ng pagkalugi ng kumpanya. Yung basis on profit or losses, nasa pag-uusap yon. Hindi porket ganito yung amount na kinontribute mo sa partnership ay dapat ganun din kalaki. So, magkaibang usapan po yun. Next is factors to consider in arriving at a plan for dividing profits or losses. Money, property, or industry. Partnership profits are realized as a result of putting together the contribution, money, property, or industry of the partners. The amount of capital invested by each partner, the amount of time each partner devotes to the business and other contribution are the factors being considered in the formulation of an equitable profit and loss ratio. So ito yung mga bagay na kinukonsider para magkaroon ng profit and loss ratio. Yung pagpabahagi ng kita, una na dyan is yung tinatawag natin na contribution ng pera, non-cash or kaya yung skills or services. So nagkakaroon ng kita ang kumpanya dahil itong mga kinontribute na ito ay ginagamit sa operation ng partnership. There are profit sharing plans which emphasize either the value of personal services rendered by individual partners or the amounts of capital invested by each partner. Some agreements considered the importance of both the amount and quality of managerial services rendered and the amount of capital invested by the partners for the success or failure of a partnership. So, depende sa plano, dun sa tinatawag nating profit sharing, kung saan ine-emphasize yung personal services na naitutulong mo sa partnership or yung amount na capital kung magkano ang nai-invest mo sa partnership. A partner has considerable personal financial resources, thus giving the partnership a strong credit rating. In general, partners have unlimited liability. A very solvent partner will make the partnership attractive to creditors. So dito naman, yung isang partner is kilala bilang isang mayaman. Marami siyang financial resources na mapagkukuhanan. The number 2 is a partner who is well known in a profession or an industry may contribute immensely to the success of the partnership, although he may not participate actively in the operation of the partnership. Dito naman yung isang partner, kilala siya sa kanyang profession. For example, yung kapartner mo is artista. So kahit hindi siya makipag-participate actively, tatangkilikin pa rin yung business nyo kasi kilala siya bilang isang sikat na artista. Then next is Performance method. Performance method. Many partnership use profit and loss sharing arrangement that give some weight to the specific performance of each partner to provide incentive to perform well. This allocation of profits to a partner on the basis of performance is frequently referred to as a bonus. So ito naman magbe-base sa performance dun sa ginagawa mo para sa partnership. Examples of the use of performance criteria are: number 1 is chargeable hours. These are the total number of hours that a partner incurred client-related assignment. For example, sa isang araw, a partner can contribute a total 8 hours. Kaya lang si partner A, dedicated talaga siya, hindi lang 8 hours ang kanyang nailalaan. Nag-overtime siya at umabot pa siya ng 10 hours. He's giving extra time para mag-present sa mga client ng partnership. So weight may be given 2 hours in excess of a standard. So yung additional na 2 hours na in-spend niya, kailangan bigyan mo siya ng extra or bonus. So, number 2 is total billings. The total amount billed to clients for work performed and supervised by a partner constitute total billings. Weight may be given to billings in excess of a norm. So, dito naman, for example, nagkaroon kayo ng operation, si partner A work done contributed for the partnership, higit pa sa normal yung kanyang nagawa. Let's say yung total bill is about 4,000 and nung nagbigay ng bill, umabot ng 5,000 because of the quality of work na ginawa ni partner A. So, syempre, yung additional na yun, kailangan mo ibigay kay partner A. Kasi dahil sa kanyang extra ginawa, maliban pa dun sa normal billing. Number 3 is write-off. Consists of uncollectible billings. Weight may be given to a write-off percentage below a norm. And next is promotional and civic activities. Time devoted to developing future business and enhancing the partnership name in the community is considered promotional and civic activity. Weight may be given to time spent in excess of a norm or to specific accomplishment resulting in new client. So, example dito is si partner A naglalaan ng oras para i-promote or ipakilala yung operation ng kanilang partnership. Yung ganitong klase na activity ay tinatawag na promotional and civic activities. At dapat bigyan din ng bonus yung mga ginagawa ng isang partner para sa mga bagay na ganito. And then last is profit in excess of specified levels. Designate partners commonly receive a certain percentage of profits in excess of a specified level of earnings. So next na magdi-discuss is si Miss Jamie Fernandez.
Good evening, everyone. So, rules for the distribution of profit or losses. The profit or losses shall be distributed in conformity with the agreement. If only the share of each partner in the profit has been agreed upon, the share of each in the loss shall be in the same proportion. So, kung ang napag-usapan lang ay profit, so the share of each in the losses shall be in the same proportion. Meaning na kapag profits lang napag-usapan sa pag-distribute, and hindi nyo napag-usapan yung sa losses, automatically, same proportion kayo pagdating sa pagkalugi. For example, ang hatian sa profits ni partner A, B, and C ay 40-40-20 at hindi nyo napag-usapan yung sa losses, ang mangyayari is 1/3 ang hatian nyo sa losses. partner in their profits or losses shall be in the proportion to what he may have contributed. So, kapag wala kayong napag-usapan, magbe-base yun sa inyong kinontribute, either according to ratio of original capital investment doon sa pagsisimula nyo bilang isang partnership, or for example, kung ilang years na kayo nag-operate, the ratio of the capital balance at the beginning of the year. Kung magkano man yung capital balance nyo sa pagsisimula ng taon, yun yung pagbabasehan ng profit or loss ratio. But the industrial partner may not be liable for the losses. Hindi siya kasama sa pagkalugi. Ano ba ginagawa at kinocontribute ni industrial partner? An industrial partner is one who contributes his industry, labor, or services to the partnership. He is considered the owner of his service, which is his contribution to the common fund. As the profit, the industrial partner shall receive such shares as may be just and equitable under the circumstances. Pagdating sa profits, may matatanggap ang industrial partner if aside from his services, he has contributed capital. Industrial partner, naging capitalist partner, so he shall receive share in the profits in proportion to his capital. Besides the salary or bonus na natatanggap niya bilang isang industrial partner, makakatanggap din siya ng part ng profit in proportion to his capital. According to Civil Code of the Philippines, Article 1797, the partnership must exist for the common benefit or interest of the partnership. Kaya mayroong partnership kasi gusto nyong kumita. A summary of the above legal provisions is prepared as follows. 1. Profits. The profits will be divided according to partners' agreement. Dapat merong agreement, written or verbal na agreement pagdating sa kita. If there is no agreement, kung walang usapan, kapag sa capitalist partner, yung mga nagbigay ng cash or non-cash, the profit shall be divided according to their capital contribution. Kapag walang napag-usapan, according to the ratio of original capital investment, or in its absence, the ratio of capital balances at the beginning of the year. For example, yung capital contribution is 100,000. For 40K kay partner A, 40K kay partner B, 20K kay partner C. Kapag walang usapan sa distribution ng profit, magbe-base yun sa capital contribution. So, kapag may profit ang partnership, magiging 40% ng kita ang mapupunta kay A, 40% mapupunta kay B, at 20% ang mapupunta kay C. Industrial partners, if any such shares as may be just and equitable under the circumstances, provided that the industrial partner shall receive such shares before the capitalist partner shall divide the profits. For example, si partner D ay isang industrial partner. So, meron kayong profit. Bago nyo i-distribute yung profit sa capital partner, unahin mo na bigyan si industrial partner. Number 2, losses. The losses will be divided according to partners' agreement. Pinag-uusapan dito kung paano contribution kapag may losses sa partnership. B, if there is no agreement as to distribution of losses, but there is an agreement as to profit, the losses shall be distributed according to the profit sharing ratio. Kapag walang usapan about sa contribution ng losses ng partnership, magbe-base sa profit sharing ratio. Diba? A, B, C is 40-40-20. Sa losses, gano'n din yung distribution. In the absence of any agreement as to capitalist partner, the losses shall be divided according to their capital contributions. Kung walang napag-usapan, magbe-base sa na-contribute sa partnership according to the ratio of original capital investment, or in its absence, the ratio of capital balances at the beginning of the year. As to purely industrial partners, if there is any shall not be liable for any losses. Walang kinontribute na capital, skills or already contributed his shares in the loss. Dahil service ang na-contribute niya sa partnership, hindi na mababawi yun. Correction of prior period errors. Any business entity will from time to time discover errors made in the measurement of profit in prior accounting periods. Ang error ay nakaka-apekto sa measurement determination and evaluation of performance and financial status of an entity. Good internal control and the exercise of due care should serve to minimize the number of financial reporting errors that occur. However, these safeguards cannot be expected to completely eliminate errors in the financial statement. Kapag may na-detect na error, ang dapat gawin ng accountant is i-analyze yung mga error na to para alam kung anong proper action ang dapat gawin sa problem na yon. Errors in financial statements can affect your books of accounts na posibleng mag-result sa maling decision making. Kaya dapat maging maingat para di magkaroon ng errors. Pero hindi naman may iwasan yun, di ba? Para mapanatili na safe at secure ang isang company. Prior period errors are omissions from and misstatements in an entity's financial statements for one or more prior periods arising from a failure to use or misuse of reliable information that was available and could reasonably be expected to have been obtained and taken into account in preparing those statements. Such errors result from mathematical mistakes in applying accounting policies, oversights, or misinterpretation of facts and fraud. Material prior period must be restated to report financial position and result of operations as they would have been presented had the error never taken place. An entity shall correct material prior period errors retrospectively in the first set of financial statements completed after their discovery by one is restating the comparative amount for the prior period presented in which the error occurred, or if the error occurred before the earliest prior period presented, stating opening balances of assets, liabilities, and equity for the earliest prior period presented. The correction of a prior period error is excluded from net income for the period in which the error is discovered. Any information presented about prior periods, including any historical summaries of financial data, is misstated. If an error resulted in an understatement of profit in previous periods, a correcting entity will be needed to increase capital. If such errors are detected in the current period, it can be corrected. But oftentimes, these errors are not detected until another accounting year. The correction of these errors in another accounting year, therefore, will lead to prior year adjustment. If an error overstated profit in prior periods, then capital would have to be decreased. The effect of the error correction will be divided based on applicable profit and loss ratio.
Ako na ba? Sorry, hindi ako nakakasunod. So, ayan. Next is the distribution of profits or losses based on partners' agreement. Ang pag-distribute ng profit or loss, siyempre, nakabase yan sa agreement ng partners. Sabi dito, in general, profits or losses shall be divided in accordance with the agreement of the partners. The ratio in which profits or losses from partnership operations are distributed is recognized as the profit and loss ratio. And The partners may agree on any of the following schemes in distributing profits or losses. So I have here prepared an example or an illustration. Ayan. You can pin me muna. Ayan, may spotlight na ako. Para makita nyo yung illustration. Ayan. So dito, meron tayong partner S and si partner M. Ayan, meron tayong partner S and partner M. So si partner S, may capital balance tayo dyan ng January 1 ng 275,000. Investment, yan. Nagkaroon siya ng investment ng January 1. Ni partner S is 275,000 and si partner M is 200,000. And may additional investment si partner M ng September 1 na 75,000. And nagkaroon ng withdrawals ang dalawang partners ng November 1 na si partner S is 5,000 and si partner M is 10,000. Malabo ba? Is it malabo?
Di po. Clear naman.
Okay, sige. Wait. Wait lang ah. Ayan. So, merong ending balance si partner S na 270,000 and si partner M ng 265,000 and may profit na 800,000. So, sabi una doon sa distribution of profit or losses na number 1 is equally or in other agreed ratio. So, ayan, sabi niya equally or equally or in other agreed ratio. Yan. So, basically, ang gagawin lang natin is hahatiin lang natin si profit na, itong profit ng into 2. Kasi dalawa lang naman sila na partner. So, si partner S, meron siyang 800,000 divided by 2 equal to 400,000. And kay M naman, ganun lang din. 400,000. Entry to record, itong na-compute natin is, itong profit is debit ng income summary. And i-abbreviate ko na para hindi masyadong mahaba. Income summary and credit ng S drawing and M drawing. Yung profit natin is 800,000 and credit ng 400,000. So, ganyan. Equally siya. Pero pag sinabing in other ratio, si S is 30% and si M is 70%. So, to compute yung profit ng dalawa, si 800,000 na profit natin, i-multiply natin ngayon sa 30%. And si M naman, multiply natin sa 800K times 1 ng 70%. Ang lalabas kay S na product nila is 240,000 and kay M naman is 560,000. Entry to record ng itong profit is debit ng income summary ng 800K and credit ng S drawing and credit ng M drawings. Ng kay S is 240K and kay M is 560K. Ayan. Next is number 2. Sabi niya, based on partners' capital contribution. Number 1 dyan is yung ratio of original capital investment. Ratio of original capital investment. Original capital investment. Ayan. Let's refer dito sa example. Kunwari ang original capital investment is itong 275 at itong 200. Diyan tayo magbe-base ngayon ng pag-compute ng profit or loss. So, let's compute. CS ay mayroong 275. Ano? Dito. CS. NCM is mayroong 200,000. 275 plus 200,000 is equal to 475,000. Ngayon, to compute yung hatian ng dalawa ng profit, ganito ang gagawin natin. CS, mayroong 275,000. 275,000. Multiply natin ng, yung profit na 800,000, ayan. Multiply natin ng 275,000, divide natin yung total na 475,000. And makukuha natin is 463,158. Ayan. And kay M naman is 800,000 na profit, multiply natin ng 200 na OCI, yung original capital investment natin, divide kay 475,000 na total ng dalawang OCI ng dalawa is equal to 336,842. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang total ng dalawang ito is 800,000 yan. 800,000. Ayan. So, entry to record, debit ng income summary na 800,000, credit ng S drawings na itong 463, hindi na makita. Ayan, hindi ko na muna isusulat. 463,158 and credit ng M drawings ng 336,842. Ayan. Next naman is si ratio of capital balance. Ratio of capital balance at the beginning of the year. Beginning of the year. Yan. So, magbe-base naman tayo ngayon dito. Parang same lang din sa kanina. Pero hindi siya parang nagkataon lang na parehas ang capital balance, yung original capital investment at saka ang capital balance at the beginning of the year. So ganun lang din yung computation. Meron CS ng 800K na profit, multiply ng 275,000 na beginning balance and divide mo ng total beginning balance. So ganun. Let's proceed sa next. is yung sa ending. Ending of the year. And makikita natin na ang ending balance ni S is 270 at ang ending balance ni M is 265. So si S merong 270,000 na ending and si M is merong 265,000. 270 plus 265,000 is equal to 535,000. To compute yung distribution ng dalawa ng profit, si profit na 800,000 multiply ng 270,000 ending ni S and divide ng 535,000 na total ending balance is equal to 403,738. And si M naman is merong, to compute yung ano niya is 800,000 times mo ng 265 na ending and divide ng 535,000 is equal to 396,262. To record this is debit ng income summary and credit ng debit ng income summary na 800,000, credit ng S drawing na 403,738 and M drawings ng 396,262. Yan. Sunod tayo doon sa ratio of capital, average capital balances. Average capital balances. Si average capital balances, ito-consider natin yung date na kung kailan sila nagkaroon ng transaction and si date, si capital account balances, and the portion of the year unchanged. Ayan. So, dito, nagkaroon unahin mo natin si S, si S, partner S. Partner S. Mayroon siyang, noong January 1, nagkaroon siya ng transaction, nag-invest siya ng 275,000. 275,000. Sorry na. Daming mali. And nagkaroon din siya ng withdrawal ng November 1. November 1 ng 5,000. Sa portion of the year unchanged, bibilangin natin yung year na kung kailan yung month, kung ilan yung hindi siya nagkaroon ng transaction. Kunwari ito, sa January 1 to November 1. So magbibilang tayo ngayon. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So 10, over 12. Yung 12 is yung the whole year. Diba? You have 12 months in a year. And from November 1 to December naman ngayon, di 2 over 12. And i-compute natin yan, 275,000 multiply ng 10 divided by 12 is equal to 229,167. And 500,000 multiply mo ng 2 over 12 is equal to 833. 833. 833. And equal to 230,000. Si partner M naman ngayon, ganun lang din ang gagawin natin. Partner M. Nagkaroon siya ng investment ng January 1 and nagkaroon din siya ng additional investment ng September 1 and nagkaroon siya ng withdrawals ng November 1. Meron tayong capital 200,000, 75,000, and 10,000. Ito yun, yung amounts na kinonsider natin sa partner M. Multiply natin ng January 1 to September 1, ilang months ang hindi siya nagkaroon ng transaction. Portion of the year unchanged. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Hindi, 8 lang. 8 over 12. Be cautious sa date. Pag sinabing September 15 na ito, kabilang sa September Kabilang na siya sa pagbibilang ng year. Kung September 15 kunwari ito or 25 ganyan, ang portion of the year unchanged natin dito magiging 9 na. Ayan. And sa September, September to November, meron tayong 2 months na hindi nagalaw. And ganun na rin kay November to December na 2 over 12. 200 times 8 over 12 is equal to 133,333. 75,000 times 2 over 12 is 12,500. And 10,000 times 2 over 12 is equal to 1,667. Is equal to 147,500. Para ma-compute yung paghatian, si 230 na-compute natin kay partner S plus ng 147,500 kay partner M equal to 377,500. Ayan. Si partner S, meron tayong 230, no? 230,000 and kay partner M is 147,500. 230 plus 147,000 is equal to 377,500. To compute yung paghatian yung contribution ng profit within them, within the partners is si 800,000 na profit natin, multiply natin ng 230,000 na na-compute natin kay S and divide natin sa 377,500. And ganun na rin kay M, 600,000 multiply ng 147,500 divide ng 377,500. And na-compute natin kay partner S is 487,417. And kay partner M is 312,583. Round off na yan, rounded off naman. Equal to 800,000. Entry to record, debit ng income summary na 800,000, credit ng S drawing na 487,417, and credit ng M drawing na 312,583. For further discussion ng yung numbers 3 to 6, let me call on Ate Nicole, Cherry, or Bunny to discuss yan. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you. So, napaka-informative. Wow. Na discussion. Maganda yung ganun sa ano ni Kim, no? Yung sinusulat-sulat. Ngayon, uumpisahan ko lang yung yung next topic natin, or yung, asa na yun? Yung mga dapat i-consider kapag magdi-distribute ng profit sa mga partners. Kasi ano na rin oras para makapagpahinga na tayo. Tapos, i-continue ko na lang sa next meeting natin. So, ito, meron tayo ditong by allowing interest on partners' capital, by allowing salaries to partners, by allowing bonus to the managing partner based on profit, ganyan. Ngayon, itong tatlong to, ito yung minsan nakakasama sa stipulation or sa usapan ng mga partners na ibabawas sa sa profit ng mga ibabawas, i-consider para malaman kung magkano nga ba yung profit na i-distribute sa mga partners. So, itong salaries, kailangan nilang i-consider to minsan kasi 'di ba, merong mga industrial partners na nakakatanggap ng salary in addition to his or her profit sa partnership, ganon. And itong mga bonuses naman, minsan kasi 'di ba, ang galing-galing mag-manage nung partner, ang galing-galing ng performance niya, ganon. So, minsan entitled yung isang partner sa partnership ng bonus. And take note, nagkakaroon lang or pwede lang mag-allocate or magbigay ng bonus sa partnership or sa partner kapag nag-earn yung partnership ng profit. So, walang bonus na ibibigay kapag merong loss. Tandaan nyo yun may bonus lang kapag may profit na na-earn yung partnership, pero kapag loss, walang bonus. Ayan. Tapos, itong interest naman sa capital contribution, ayan, minsan kasi sa usapan ng mga partners, pinag-uusapan nila na dapat ito mga capitalist partners, entitled kami sa annual interest sa aming capital contribution. So yun, yung tatlong yun yung madalas na binabawas doon sa profit na na-earn ng partnership bago nila i-allocate yung talagang profit para sa mga partners. Pero mas mas maiintindihan niyo yan sa mga illustrations natin mamaya. Sa susunod na meeting natin. And minsan, kung makikita nyo, ang nandoon lang sa stipulation, interest lang, kung minsan merong salaries lang, minsan bonus, or combination nitong tatlo. Yun. So, yun lang naman yung kailangan nating malaman for now. And tingnan natin, stop share ko muna. And may babanggitin pala ako doon sa sa diniscuss ni kuya ninyo Kim. Kasi baka magtaka kayo doon sa entries. Ito. So, di ba kanina ang ano niya, kasi nag-prepare din ako. Ang entry niya kanina, debit to income summary, tapos credit to drawings ng partner. So, nabanggit yan dati sa discussion natin. Si Mabet ata yung nag-discuss noon na nakadepende sa intention ng partners kung saan nila ilalagay or ang tawag dito? Tama, ilalagay yung profit or loss na naano ng partners. Pwedeng sa capital account or pwedeng sa drawings account. So, depende sa intention nila. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung saan kayo nakuha, doon kayo. Punta kayo sa basic accounting ninyo, tas sa accounting for partnerships na part. Ayan, sabi dito, notice that the profit or loss is credited or debited either to the drawing account or to the capital account. The choice of the account to credit or debit depends on the intention of the partners. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang ng mabuti. Tapos ito, nag-prepare ako ng mga problems na illustrations na sasagutan natin sa next meeting natin. But for now, yung mga basic muna yung mga basic muna na dapat ninyong tandaan dapat ninyong malaman yun. Ayan. Ayun lang naman, meron pa ba kayong katanungan? Ganon. Katanungan. Wala na. Meron pa ba? May addition pa ba kayo? Wait lang, stop share ko na. Ayan, so far clear naman, no? Clear. Ayan, pa-heart naman kung clear. Ayan, mag-unmute na si Jeds. Ayan, so thank you. Ayan, so 9 PM na din para makapagpahinga na tayo. Stop muna natin yung discussion natin para muna tayo for now and tuloy natin sa susunod na meeting natin which is on Saturday. Okay, Saturday. Ayan, mag-attendance din tayo. Pero remind ko kayo na Saturday 3 to 4 PM. So, click ko po. Wala, sakto lang yung pera mo. Ayan, 3 to 4 PM ang ating discussion. Ayan, so paki-open na lang ang ating camera para makapag-screenshot na tayo. Ayan. Loko mo kayo sa Shibon. Okay lang, kumain kayo. Ayan, Saturday 3 to 4 PM. Picture na. Ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang si Shibon.
Nababaliw ako. Wait lang,
Okay
ate.
lang. Okay, game. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay na. Thank you sa inyo. Napaka-active ninyong dalawa talaga. And sana mahawaan ninyo yung iba. Ayan. So, next next meeting ulit, 3 to 4. Paki-remind paki-remind yung mga kaklase ninyo na umattend din kay Casey. Ay, hindi nyo pala sila kaklase, no? Kaklase nyo dito. Kaklase nyo dito na umattend din. Ayan.
Kasi hindi masyadong nakakausap. Kasi hindi na F.
Oo nga. Tama. O yun lang naman. Prepare din kayo sa ating quiz B next Saturday regarding this partnership. Bawi. Ayan. May premyo tayo yata eh. Di ba? Pero kahit walang premyo, ayan, galingan. Ay, naglag ako. Yun. So, discussion muna sa Saturday, tapos proceed agad sa quiz B. Yun lang naman. Ay, nagpa-second dose daw si Casey. Ako din, nagpa-vaccine din ako. Share. Ayun lang. May sasabihin pa po ba kayo? Or wala na? Okay, subukan wala na. Ayan, magpahinga na tayong lahat. And see you sa Saturday. Ayan, so God bless everyone. Bye-bye. I will end the meeting na. Agoy. Sabi nga ni Mabet, I will end the meeting na. Bye!
Bye!
Wait lang, leave meeting lang nandito.